Understanding chlamydia, more than just a word. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a term that you might have come across in health discussions or while reading about medical conditions. We're talking about chlamydia. It's important to understand not just the word itself, but its implications and context. So, if you're ready to learn about this important term, let's get started. Chlamydia is not just a word you might stumble upon, but it is a term with significant medical importance. It refers to a sexually transmitted infection, STI, caused by the bacterium Chlamydia trachomatis. This infection can affect anyone who is sexually active, regardless of their gender or age. Chlamydia is known for being a silent infection because many people who have it do not exhibit symptoms. However, when symptoms do occur, they may include pain while urinating, genital discharge, and pain in the lower abdomen, among others. When you hear the word chlamydia, it is crucial to understand the context in which it is used. Because it is a medical term, it is most commonly discussed in health-related topics, particularly those concerning sexual health. The context also determines how the term is perceived. As an infection, it carries a stigma, which is why it's important to approach the subject with sensitivity and accuracy when discussing it. Now, let's look at how you can use chlamydia in a sentence. After a routine health checkup, Mark was diagnosed with chlamydia and received treatment. Awareness campaigns are crucial in educating young adults about sexually transmitted infections like chlamydia. Notice that when using medical terms like chlamydia, they are not capitalized unless at the beginning of a sentence because they are not proper nouns. Learning about chlamydia isn't just about language, it's also about understanding its implications. Fortunately, chlamydia is a treatable condition. With the right antibiotics, it can be cured. However, prevention is always better than cure, so discussions about chlamydia often include the importance of safe sexual practices and regular screenings. And that wraps up our exploration of the term chlamydia. We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also your understanding of an important health topic. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the context and meaning behind them. Keep curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy out there.